Hey guys, I'm here to tell you today about how to start creating your magazine for informational text structures. Okay, you guys have been working on this. You should be all the way through your rough copies and your graphic organizers, and now you're ready to actually start the project itself. Okay, so the very first thing you're going to do, you're going to come over, open a new tab. You're going to go to slides.new, right? After you've done slides.new, it goes to Google Slides for you, starts a brand new uh, presentation. You want to select it and call it Text Structures Magazine, right? So Text Structures Magazine. All right, after you've done that, you can hit enter. All right, the next thing you need to do is set up your page. We don't want it to look like a slideshow. We don't want it to be landscape. We want it to be portrait, and we want it to look like a magazine. Okay, so you got to come down, go to page setup. You want to get away from this widescreen thing. This is not what you want. You got to go down to custom, and you're going to change it to the same width, the same size as a piece of printer paper, okay? Because that's how big our magazines are going to be. It's going to be 8.5 by 11. You tell it apply, and boom, now you're there. All right. Now you might want to change this. The layout of this particular one is it has the title in the middle. Let's start with a blank slide. Okay, so come all the way down under layout, select blank. All right. Now you got a completely clean canvas that you can do all 5 articles on. All right. You need a cover page. You need at least one page for every article, all 5. So that's 6 pages. And don't forget your glossary. Okay. Don't forget that glossary in the back. That's super important. All right. I'm going to show you now what mine kind of looks like. I'm doing mine on 1960s Fords. Here is my this is the beginning of my cover page. All right, I've changed the background. You can do that here. I changed mine to maroon because I kind of like how it looks with a black truck. I chose a picture of a black truck that is a lot like mine because that's what the main focus of my magazine is going to be is 1960s Fords. I'm going to do an article about grill types. I'm going to do an article about rust. All those things, I'm kind of advertising my own thing, my own magazine on the cover, just like every other magazine you look at does. All right. You want to advertise to the people who are going to read it what's inside. Okay, so this is where you can let your creative juices flow. Like whatever you want to create, whatever you want to make, whatever vision you have for what you'd like your magazine to look like, you are now in charge of that. Okay, you're now in charge of the layout, you're in charge of the publishing, you're in charge of everything that goes along with your magazine. All right, it's super important that you let yourself come through in this magazine. All right, your ideas are all good, they need to be seen, they need to be heard. All right, I hope this helps. It's standard for Google Slides. After you got the page oriented, like I did here, like this one is, change the background, change the layout, move things around, make it the way you want it to look. All right, I'm super excited to see how these turn out. I've seen a lot of good work on the rough copies and graphic organizers. I'm excited to see how these look in the hall. I'm excited to read them, have other people read them, look at them, tell us how good a job we did. All right, guys. Good luck. If you need anything else, let me know.